Yeah, Shiva, we are, till now we are discussed so what are the types of input fields and all this thing, right? So now, so we have some different types and some attributes also there. Like we have multiple, and we are discussed the max and max length and min length, all these things, right? We are already shown the placeholder also, and we have some input fields are required also. So for example, I am showing my screen is visible. I'm thinking, is it okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just required. Required means if you type, if you are not this required is useful when you are submitting the form. That field is needed. Otherwise, it will show the error message. This field is required. Yeah, that error message will be shown. That things will be discussed in our JavaScript or Angular application or React. So we'll try to just the required required attribute also there. So we'll discuss this first. And we have some autofocus also there. So how the input will be auto focused? So many attributes like autofocus, auto autofocus, auto complete also there, autofocus, and auto capitalize. When we are typing the input, for example, auto capitalize will be helpful. um, just I'm giving here auto capitalize. Just go here and type here. So so what pattern is needed, we need to add here directly. If you see, just you are typing, the input fields are coming only small. So if I add auto field, so this auto capitalize, for example, a some actions is needed. That is the use of attribute. Directly input fields will be on and off, and on and off will be going on. Okay, sentences and words you can see here. So control the letters. Okay, auto capitalize. Autofocus means when we are having any input, we need to focus. When we are going the input field, we'll try to autofocus. We'll discuss autofocus. Autofocus. So go and refresh it once. So see, so if I go here, it is focusing. So see the blue color is coming. So when I going here, it is not showing, but it is showing here. That is an autofocus. So here also, just I am clicking, then only it is showing. But here it is coming as autofocus. So when we are using autofocus attribute, it will use. We can so dot for we are discussed, right? So one, if for example, I will copy this one, how the how the data list will be useful. So I'm adding here some so this is input field, and we have some so data list I'm adding here, some data list. This is an HTML5 feature. Just enter. Mm, in the data list, we can add the options. What are the options are there? Just add it. Okay. So this, whatever, for example, we are typing in input, this input, we need id. Okay, id equal to for example, I'm using some teachers, for example. This id, whatever we are typing in input field, it will be interact with this data list. Then only this data list will work. Okay, so I am just keep on copying this one and paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here. Okay, so values are, I am giving maths, physics, physics, and some social, bio, chemist. So these some of the options I'm giving. Uh, this is on different types of teachers: maths teacher, physics teacher, and social teacher, and biological teacher. So we'll see how the data list work. Okay. So this above field, I'm just this is input field, right? I'm just giving us commenting. Then you can observe. Otherwise, we'll comment all the entire content. So we'll see, right? So input field, go and refresh it. Yeah. So now if I type options, enter, it is not reading. Why it is not reading? So we need to add this as list. Don't give id. Okay. That is an making blunder mistakes, everyone. So this one is giving id and this is also id. That's why I'm starting I given both of them id. Now go and refresh it. So now you are seeing, right, social, physics, and everything. If you enter something randomly and uh enter it. Okay, enter. It's okay. In this browser, it's not working. Okay. I understood. So this is in schools. So we are just when just enter console any error. Yeah. So basically this form. So we'll try to add into the separate. This is not understanding. This entire div structure is not understanding. That okay, control chat. Just copying here. I will add end of the form. Mm, so just in a form, we'll add that entire the name and height, width, and placeholder. This also not needed. Just giving some lists. So just I'm adding for that browsers. Then we have some options. Okay. So now go and refresh it. This is the above content also not needed. Yeah, now see, right, the maths, physics, and social and bio. If I enter S and keep on typing, so it will automatically come. But in this browser is not understanding. Thus, what we are entered, it will create one list actually. That is the use case of data list. Yeah. So that's it today. Today's class. So we'll discuss later. So remaining.